Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a very effective stretch mark oil. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it. It encourages me to upload more helpful videos for you all. So let's get started. So guys, to make this oil you'll be needing sandalwood oil, which prevents skin aging. It cures skin infection and itching. It gets rid of inflammation and lost smell. You'll be needing sesame seed oil, which prevents the appearance of wrinkles and pigmentations. The high zinc content helps to produce collagen, thereby giving the skin more elasticity and loss more. You'll be needing lavender oil, which reduces acne and scarring, heals burns, slows aging, improves eczema, and loss more. You'll be needing frankincense oil, which prevents wrinkles, reduces blemishes, fades away scars and stretch marks, and loss more as well. Then lastly, you'll be needing rescue oil, which was formulated to help the treatment and prevention of stretch marks, aging skin, blemished skin, dehydrated skin conditions, and lots more. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'll be putting half teaspoon of sandalwood oil, half teaspoon of sesame seed oil, half teaspoon of lavender oil, half teaspoon of frankincense oil, and 1 teaspoon of rescue oil. After which I will properly mix. Guys, this oil is 100% safe, therefore it works perfectly for all skin types. It permanently fades stretch mark, both old and new, dark, light, stubborn, whatever way it comes. I've gotten a lot of reviews about this stretch mark oil, so I hope it works perfectly for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, And also please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and when you do click the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye.